Okay, sorry. So guys, I'm back and I'm doing one of my brother's. Well, he's playing Overwatch. I'm gonna do a bunch of gaming videos. I might not be playing them all. I'm just recording for now, but it's still on my channel.
Healer, heal me, healer, heal me. Everybody's looking for the love. Oh, ain't that easy?
That's some sweet music.
James, you gonna play?
This is my brother talking. Adjusting the camera.
What? Speak to me.
Adjusting the camera.
Can you use words? Are you serious? Are you gonna say it?
Who's it, Joe?
That sucks. Yeah, one sec. I actually can.
Joe, how long is the game?
Kim, you didn't text me.
Joe, do you know how long one game is?
Why are you sending me some snap? It's really not.
Joe, do you know how long one game is? Joe,
Alright, good, because my brother's in the room.
doing a YouTube video.
I didn't look yet.
Joe, if you don't believe me, you could actually watch the YouTube video and see how good you did. You're actually doing pretty good for now. But you died. You died. You died.
See you all over.
This is for Overwatch fans.
I did, I sent a message back.
I actually play Overwatch now, because my brother got me into it.
Did you read it? What was that? Oh, so good.
Yeah. Yeah, I adjusted it. This is a good idea for my first video. For my first gaming video. Pretty good.
What was that? It's so frustrating.
Joe, do you know how long one round is? Do you know how long one round is? Joe, do you know how long one round is?
It depends. There's different game modes. I'm talking about other.
On this round, do you know what time it takes on this round?
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh my god. Alright, we just play more defensive now. Oh no, we're gonna lose the point. We're gonna lose the point.
Oh my god. Sorry for the language, guys. But it's my brother's music. Blame him.
Don't you oy vey me? Oh my god. More defensive, more defensive.
Yeah, that's better.
Kim, stop saying oy vey, you're not Jewish. Oh my god, yeah. God damn it. That was weak. That was a weak game.
That's a good team. Yeah. This is the kill of the day. It's the kill of the fight.
Isn't James here?
Yeah.
Didn't invite me though. Oh, it's a good song.
Yeah.
James, start the game.
Yeah. What are you doing? You're looking at your...
Let's see my emote down.
What?
What's ready, ready?
Oh my god.
Here's my pilot intro for this year.
The gun looks pretty sweet. Soldier actually looks pretty sweet.
Surrounded.
Sorry for the bad recording, guys. Very bad. I'm being better
What? You're asking me,
views.
man. What you asking? Because of everything like in the past. Like he said it himself. You guys have driven him to hate you.
Oh, my legs can't handle this. Oh my god. Look.
Not likes you. He doesn't like you like that.
Guys, this might be the end. You might not be able to see the last round.
No, I don't know if I at all actually.
So, guys, yeah, this is it.
What,
This is
you
the
think it's
end.
something else that he won't?
This is the end of the video. I can't do pretty much
Oh,
more than one game,
I
but
have-
I
I
have
have-
to because I can't.
you're not gonna
It
like
doesn't work for more than. It doesn't work for a certain
Yeah, but
amount of
it's
time.
nice,
Only
so-
14 minutes. Only 14 minutes it works for. Anything more, it doesn't work for. So, sorry guys. I'm sorry. Bye.